my darling Stella. Happy birthday, my baby darling. Pray ko sa'yo, maging good girl ka sa iyong pag-grow up, maging mabait na bata at malusog. We are here. Mama, Papa, Nanay, Tatay, lahat kami, we still provide you for your growing up. I love you so much, baby. Mwah!
Let's go ahead and just get lost in it. Like, ooh, think we're on to something. Ooh, think it's safe to say. Good feelings are here to stay.
Hello Stella, happy birthday Balasan. Sana mabait ka. Andito lang si Mami at Papa. Basta magpakabuti ka. Ay, ikaw ang prinsesa na. Sige, happy birthday Balasan. Love you, happy birthday. Mwah!
Best days, best days, best days, best days, best days.
Palakpakan ang ating birthday celebrator, our seventh birthday queen now, Estella! Palakpakan po!
And we were kids playing in the streets, and now we're sitting in the front row seats. Like, ooh, think we're on to something. Ooh, think it's safe to say. Good feelings are here to stay.
Ako, ang message ko kay Stella, na lumaki siyang mabait na bata. Una, nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon dahil binigay niya siya sa amin nung time na parang sabi na hindi kami magkakaanak. Pero nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon dahil binigay ka niya sa amin. At sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, maging mabait na bata.
Best days, best days, best days, best days, best days, best days.
Stella, mula nung bata, napakatahimik. Wala kang maririnig. Umiiyak lang pag gutom. Pag may ayaw na, na bagay. Hanggang lumaki, tahimik pa rin. Stella, à tes 7 ans, la meilleure, que du bonheur. Et sache que je suis toujours là pour toi et nous t'aimons toujours, pour toujours. Happy birthday, Stella! We love you!